have waiver of visa requirement for the citizens of the Democratic Republic of Congo. As of 1st 2024, as some of you already saw some information circulating on social media, Congolese nationals will no longer require visas to enter Uganda. This decision was made after the DRC became a full member of the East African Community, as you all know, on the 11th of July 2022, following their accession to the East African Treaty on 8th April 2022. So the East African Community Common Market Protocol is based on the principle of free movement of persons. According to Article 7.2d, partner states are required to allow citizens of other partner states to enter without a requirement of a visa. So we are fulfilling this. So during the 8th Joint Permanent Commission held on 8th of October, 11th of October to 15th, I beg your pardon, in Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of Congo, both parties agreed in principle to waive the visa requirement for citizens of both countries on a reciprocal basis. We allow without a visa, they also allow, they reciprocate. So following the above agreement, Cabinet Minute 374, 2023, considered the matter, and it was resolved to remove the visa requirement for Ugandan and Congolese nationals to enter and exit the Democratic Republic of Congo and Republic of Uganda respectively. So starting 1st January 2024, Congolese will come in without a requirement of visa, and then Ugandans will also are expected that they will cross to Congo without a requirement of visa. So the Ministry of Internal Affairs is now ready to implement this directive, of course, starting 1st of January 2024. We have made communications to all our border points across that entire stretch of Congo and Uganda, and we expect that the directive will be put in action.